Okay, so your digestive system, overview of it. Okay. Well, here's the mouth, the tongue. Behind the trachea, okay, here you have a well, in this one, it's not exposed yet. Okay. Here, okay. So behind the trachea, you have the esophagus, which is running from the mouth and connecting to the stomach. Okay. So this is the esophagus running down. Okay.
That's by the trachea, right?
Behind the trachea,
Behind.
posterior to it.
Okay.
Yeah. And the esophagus goes down, and at the sphincter, over here, what will you have? This is the stomach, right? Okay.
The GES.
Yeah. So this is the stomach. The GES will be right here.
Can you pull that down?
Okay. So see, there's the diaphragm, and the GES right below the diaphragm.
Is that the whole thing there, or that's the thread there?
What's the thread?
Is it that whole thing there?
Yeah, this thick tube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is
That's
the sphincter.
sphincter,
That the
okay.
entire
The
esophagus comes
GES.
down, and the GS will be right here.
All right.
Right? If you cut the stomach open, which they haven't done yet, I'll do it for them. Okay,
Any rats?
looks like it.
Really? Yes.
You're kidding.
Sorry. Where's that hungry? Yours died of hunger.
Oh no, nothing inside.
Nothing inside.
Okay, so you see these folds inside the stomach.
Yeah, what
These
is that?
folds are called rugae.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty. So now I want you to know now the specific portions of the stomach. Okay. This is the fundus. Okay. This is the body, and then the pyloric antrum. Okay. And here the pyloric antrum, pyloric canal. I won't be that specific. As long as you say pyloric antrum or the pyloric canal, it's fine. Okay. This portion is the body. Okay.
How are you gonna put the pin on the fungus?
Fundus, the dome shape.
On the top.
Yes. Okay. And this is the pyloric antrum and the pyloric canal in this region. Now, where is the pyloric sphincter? Right here. Okay. This exactly is the pyloric sphincter. So if I put a pin right here,
Any pin on the
It's
outside,
not
you're
the
asking for the
pyloric,
region.
right?
yeah, any pin on the outside, I'm asking for the region. Exactly.
That's the pyloric sphincter.
So right here, at the junction of the duodenum and the stomach is the pyloric sphincter. Now here, if I put a pin here, this is the duodenum.
Yeah.
Okay, and so the duodenum now continues, and it goes down. Okay, and how will you identify? And after here, the duodenum is very short. So after like one C-shaped fold, you can assume that after that the rest of it is all jejunum, and it's all jejunum until
The ilium.
yeah.
Payers patches.
Very good. Okay, here we go. Until you come to this segment right here. So this segment here, you see this junction? This is the ilium coming. So that was right after the duodenum was the jejunum. Okay? So if I put a little further down to the duodenum, then you know it's the jejunum. Okay? If I ask you this segment
On
here,
the bottom.
yes, this is going to be the ilium. Why? Because this is the ileocecal sphincter right here. Okay? So this here, you see this pouch? This pouch here is the cecum. This is the cecal pouch. Okay? And right here is the ileocecal sphincter where my fingers are. So here, right here, this is the ilium, and this is the cecum. This is the ileocecal sphincter, right here. Okay, and you will find this structure in all of your cats. You'll be able to trace all the intestines down until you come to this junction. Okay, see this ilium is very thin, and this cecum is thicker.
Where's the cecum sphincter again?
Ileocecal sphincter is at the junction of the ilium and the cecum, so it's
like
right here.
splits them pretty much.
Yeah. It's like a connection, T-shaped connection, like a plumbing.
Is it like light there?
Huh?
The sphincter, where is it?
This is the sphincter.
Okay, got
Okay.
it. I didn't see it from there.
This perspective, so that's the appendix? No.
Okay, so this is
Shush.
the cecum. The appendix on the cat would be sort of here, but this is the cecum, so it's not really visible here. Okay. Now, this here now is the beginning of the colon. Now the cat's colon, see how short this is from here to here. So it's not doesn't follow the same route as the human colon, you know, ascending, transverse, and so on. But some structures are similar. So this is the cecum, and this is the colon. If you just identify that as a colon, that's fine. Okay. But here, now, see the colon comes down. I can ask you that this coming down here, at least, this looks like the descending. So that is one part that you can say for sure that this is the descending colon, right? Then see this colon at an angle, and there's something here. Yes.
Cool.
Yes, poo. So this
What
at
are
an
the
angle,
feces?
yes. Okay. Never had so much excitement at
You won't be
feces.
stepping on that.
Now look at this. So look at this angle of the colon, right? It's that's the sigmoid colon. Now if you go below this, and people often get confused, they say with the sigmoid and the rectum. Now if you go below this and you come here, this is going. The colon here is now going straight, the intestine. So this here is not the colon anymore. This is the rectum. Okay. The anus I can't really show from this side. Is the anus here visible? No. So you lift the cat up.
Spread the legs.
Okay. Someone hold the
They're
tail.
already spread.
Hold it.
Yeah. And you stick your probe in here.
What's that?
Oh boy.
Okay. So that is
Sodomizing
the anus. Yes.
Wait, are you gonna stick a probe or a pin in there? We gotta know. Just
Or it just stabilizes.
like you did with the corded tendon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the anus, I will have to stick a probe in it. Right? Otherwise, because you can't stick a pin in there. It's too small. Right? So this.
Bigger the better.
All right, let's stop
Okay,
sodomizing
all right,
our
guys.
cat.
All right, guys. Now focus. All jokes aside. So this is over here. The probe is here, right? What sphincter will be at this probe? Anal sphincter. Okay. All righty. And the anal sphincter actually is in two parts: the internal and the external. But I'm not gonna go into. Don't worry, we can't see that right now. So that's fine.
Can we see the anal sphincter?
Well, yes, you can. You can't really see it because you have to cut away the anus over
Listen,
here
he's
to
been through
visualize it.
enough, okay?
No, hold on. So if you put a probe up in there, it's just the anus?
That's the anus, and if I'm asking, the probe over here is asking you for the anus, okay? And if I'm asking you, and the sphincter is going to be the anal sphincter.
Oh, you're gonna ask which sphincter is
What
the-
structure? Yeah.
Structure.
Yeah. The question will be worded in such a way you will know whether I'm asking for the anus or the sphincter.
Well, you can't really see the anal sphincter.
No, you can't. That's
So
why
you're
I'll
not
have to. That's why
The
my
probe
question
is
will
gonna
have to be
there.
clear.
He's gonna say, what's that?
Stephanie?
I was lifting it up.
I heard an echo.
But you might
Alrighty.
have questions.
Okay, guys, so now let's talk about the accessory structures, okay? So the salivary glands in the cat, we don't really have time to go through all of them, okay? Now, coming down, the accessory structures, the ones we can see here are the liver. Liver produces bile. Okay, now coming down here, here you have the gallbladder, okay, this sac, right? And the tube leading up to the gallbladder, this is the cystic duct. And then you see the bile duct coming and connecting to the duodenum. So if you see a green tube connecting to the duodenum, it has to be the bile duct. Okay? And the pancreatic duct is also going to enter near the same location. The cats are kind of weird, sometimes enter at different locations, but we're learning human anatomy. It's the same location for pancreatic and the bile ducts. Okay? Now, where's the pancreas? Okay? The pancreas, right under the duodenum, the length of it, you have the pancreas running over here. Okay? And this pancreas also, the pancreatic duct dumps at the same place, at the ampulla. Okay? Hepatopancreatic ampulla. Huh? Say it again? Oh, the pancreatic duct? No. On these cats, it's not that easily visible. Yeah. Okay. So we're clear on the GI tract basics of it? Okay, now go and find your, so this is the gallbladder, the cystic duct, the bile duct. The hepatic ducts are coming, you'll see the green ducts coming from the liver and coming into the, merging with the cystic ducts.
Question, what's the difference between
you
cystic
can't-
and bile duct?
Huh?
What's the difference between cystic and bile duct?
Cystic duct is
From
going
the
to the gallbladder, connecting to the gallbladder.
The bile
The
duct.
bile duct is connecting to the duodenum.
It's just kind of one.
They all connect.
They all
into each
connect.
other, yeah.
They all interconnect. But, the naming depends on what they're connecting to.